Hi friends, I'm very excited today to show you house of Mr. and Mrs. Raje, which is in Kolshed Road at Kalpataru in Sunrise Building. Now to tell you about both the couples, Mr. Raje is an MEP consultant and he is a very perfectionist person, whereas as Mrs. Nisha Raje is a simple homemaker and she likes everything simple. So the interior is combination of being simple and perfect. Everything at place very perfectly kept but yet simple. So now I'll show you the furniture setup. As you enter, you will find this console which they have made for keeping their bags. As Mr. Raje travels a lot, he can keep his bag here, and similarly this again storage is for his bag. So this is the requiremental thing. We made a console, we just gave a ledge and a light to highlight the Ganpati. This is his shoe rack unit. We gave drawers for socks and keys, an umbrella, and these are the shutters for shoe rack. We gave vents so that this is for his other papers and raddi kind of things that can be kept, shoe polish and other things can be kept in this shoe rack. So this is the shoe rack which is factory made. This is total living which is approximately 20 feet by 11.5 feet. So we placed dining unit that side with a crockery unit which was a requirement, TV unit, a small sleek TV unit cantilevered. This TV unit also is modular. This entire base unit was modular. This paneling we did in on site, this paneling. Rest this unit was modular. So you can see these shutters are edge bended. As I told you, they did not want, even you can see these shutters, this place is also edge bended. So everything is edge bended, made in factory. This is what their choice was: white Satvario marble, white laminate, wooden laminate, and just chrome handles or profile chrome shutters wherever necessary. Only 3 things, and white color in entire living. Now what we did is, to show the living size elongated, we made a complete entire one end-to-end ceiling, just one ceiling with just 2 niches in between and cantilevered from all 4 sides, so that the longitudinous of the hall is not compromised. Just 2 niches to separate dining area as well as living area. Their choice of sofa and sofa cloth was also very simple yet elegant. Is this velvet color semi-rexine cloth which they chose on sofa. Same cloth we took for dining chairs, and this is their old center table which we just polished and laminated according to their living laminates. This entire area is a dining area which was treated. As soon as you come, you have a kitchen in cross. This area was Alif area which we spotted to be better for dining place. This is 4-seater dining table, but the size could be for 6-seater as well. You can have a chair from here. This dining table was designed and manufactured in our factory with same kind of finishes which are used in this entire house, that is Satvario white edge bended teak wood. Again the rexine which is they have selected with broken white rexine with velvet touch, which also keeps you comfortable during summer seasons. This is the crockery unit which they have liked, with base unit to be crockery unit, and we wanted a lighter thing on top, so we just placed few shelves for making it this and family wall kind of thing with family photos here and there. And these are the drawers which they can use while they have their plates and other things kept for their dining things, and the crockery which they can use for dining and other requirements. This is all glass profile shutters, laminate and white laminate, everything edge bended. We have given a very simple design for Mr. Raje of safety door. He wanted a clear view, so we gave 4x1 jali with white border. Again, the use of laminate is same, brown color, high glossy teak laminate, which gives a veneer kind of look. Just placed and place for ideal with shutter and light inside, and his nameplate is backlit, which we provided him as per his requirement. We are in kitchen area of Mr. and Mrs. Raje. Here we kept it simple. They had a granite platform from developer and granite flooring from developer. So we kept the kitchen area to be dark and top area to be white and light with LU handles, everything modular. Now I will show you their modular tandem drawers. This is the cutlery tray. You can see the way the things are soft close. Similarly, this is again tandem drawers for larger weight capacity of drawers to keep their utensils. This is the masala pull out with soft close, shutter with shelf below. These all handles are LU handles, aluminum finish handles. Again shutter with shelf, soft close. These are plain drawer baskets, tandem plain drawer soft close baskets. See how feather touch these are. We have given an white color laminate, high gloss laminate, edge bended and overhead as well. You can see this is only a display shutter with glass here and in light place so that they can display their crockery. This is a top glass shutter to display. We gave an storage unit above the oven so that the space entirely is utilized, and oven microwave ledge. Here we have given SS rack for drain board with a drain board and an water purifier place. The water falls on the sink. This side of cooking range we have placed two equal size storages with storage for their utensils inside with shelf, soft close shutters with LU handles, and in middle they have their chimney. We did not have overhead above this because that could give an very heaviness in this kitchen. Just we gave an overhead above the service platform for their storages. We are in parents' bedroom, that is Mr. Raje's his own bedroom. So he had complete concept in his mind. He required a big study table with book storage, storage of his own dresses, his spouse wardrobe separately. So you can see we have 4-door wardrobe, which is an openable wardrobe. We made entirely in our factory with including these inlays. This is edge bended shutters. You can see the finish of laminate, inside laminate as well, which is very smooth, machine press laminate. Sensor buttons you have for light in wardrobe. You can see the way our drawers move smoothly. So this is what he required. Moreover, we had an storage above this beam, so we gave an cutout for his books to be stored in. So we did not waste time, space, even a bit of space. We made entire wardrobe to be customized. Now you can see we have given huge drawers below for his weighted storage such as books and his dresses and files. This is other wardrobe again, you can see. This entire shelves are customized according to his requirement, which are edge bended again, edge smooth. You can see even shutters are edge bended and they work very smoothly. This entire bed was made in our factory with including side tables. Only this headboard was paneled here. Even our headrest came from factories. Everything including mattress, everything came from factory. I'll show you. These are independent side tables which we have just placed here. And our theme was completely simple, as we had to give timely possession to the client. We kept entire thing wooden laminated and only tinge of white, that is on top. So we convinced them to get on top to put an marble finish laminate with again white edge bending. You can see edge bending here as well on this bed surface, so that this is not this is round, so you don't cut your hand like this. You can see everything is, even the curve of this bed is round, and you don't have sharp edges at all anywhere. You can't see even their drawers also. You can see there is no sharp edge anywhere. So entire thing was modular. Now I'll open this bed and show you how hydraulics work. So smooth functioning of hydraulic is. You can keep your cushion mattress as it is. The function of hydraulic is such smooth functioning you have. No edges. We have given him drawer also, so that daily requirement can be sufficed in drawers. We have given dressing unit, which was again entirely modular. You can see even these edges are edge bended. This is dressing unit, mirror over it, and again white marble Satvario marble finish, which is again high gloss with edge bended as their side table, which they can use. 2 drawers below. Entire switchboard, all electricals we took on this panel. This we made on site. We did this cutting in factory, and we helped with our electrician to do this on site. As per client's taste, everything is kept simple. All the walls are white, so that the wooden laminate comes out as contrast between the white walls. Even the ceiling is white. We did not color anything in ceiling. So ceiling is also white. In this white ceiling, we just gave cove lights, simple C-type structure for ceiling, and panel lights below, so that the entire area is illuminated properly, as they had an prime requirement of proper illumination in entire all the corners of the house. Now this is his study table, which he had in his best favorite place, you can say. He sits here. This is his big book storage, which we had made in profile shutters in our factory. His collection of books. Softboard, and this entire storage for his books and his files. Again, to let you know, the edges are smooth everywhere, as everything is factory made. Now we come to master bedroom, that is Mr. Kedar's bedroom. This is his wardrobe, his bed, dresser, side table. I'll show you his wardrobe first. Again, the doors are openable, simple. We have overhead storage all over. This entire storage, maybe it is with a customized size, was made in our factory. Customized storage here. I'll show you what wardrobe looks like. This is his wardrobe. You can see drawers. This is his locker, dresser. Mind you, these entire components, these entire shelves are all customized. They wanted it as they wanted, we gave them. This is machine press laminate, so you will not find bubbles here. You will see edge bended shutters here. Again, inlay, which is very seamless in our factory stock. This entire thing is machine press, so you will see the smoothness, as well as you will not find bubbles literally when carpenter does work, you find bubbles come out. With these laminates, this does not happen. This is the other arrangement of shelves as they asked for. This is their locker, which they have placed inside. These are the shelves which are customized according to their needs. You can see both the wardrobes are lockable. You can lock them very easily. This is the dressing unit. Here is toilet. So in front of toilet, we gave them the dresser with storage. This entire thing is storage here. Again, as I said we had customized this dresser in our factory and given space for electrical fixtures here, cut out, which was done in site. This is side table, a bit of side table which they got. So you get this niche also. We have customized this small niche as well. We have given them glass shelves. As I said, we don't believe in wasting the space. And this paneling is done on site. These all headrests are made in our factory. I'll show you the hydraulic working of this bed. This bed is very simple, very efficient, very good in looks. You have a border which is easy to lift. Your hydraulics with a white edge. You can see this round edge. As per the brief, we kept ceiling very simple. Ceiling is a square in between, just a niche at two sides, cove light to create an yellow ambience and panel lights to illuminate the area. Now, these are the two old furnitures which they were attached to. So we have changed the laminate as per their request, and they kept it for their kids to play, their toy areas and everything. This is the paneling done in laminate to hide the copper conduit and water outlet of the air conditioner. Now this line, this we have done paneling on site, but we have matched this line with the line of the overhead storage of wardrobe. Now you can see the heights also are adjusted. So we have customized this so much so that this looks in one line. So this is the advantage of customized modular furniture, that everything is aligned. It does not look after completion that this entire furniture was made in our factory and just placed here. So the timing for placing this furniture was approximately 15 days. We took 2 months to manufacture in our factory entire house furniture, and we took 15 days to assemble on site. This is how we work as customized modular furniture. This counter was provided by developer which had a stone finish. So we suggested them to take a stone laminate here. We created a storage below. Storage here, the shutter could not open because of this WC. So we gave an open gala here where they could store their toiletries, and gave a drawer here where they could again store their useful things for toilet. We gave 2 shutters and storage here.
I am a mechanical engineer from IIT Bombay. I worked in the corporate jungle in India here for more than 40 years, and last 5 years I am doing my independent engineering project consultancy. Actually, we were given the reference of entry here by my son, actually, who is the owner of this flat, but he is an NRI. So he had searched on the web for a lot of interior decorators, and among them he gave me 3 or 4 names and told me that I can contact them. So not only interior but other 3-4 interior decorators whom we had shortlisted, I contacted them also, and subsequently I selected interior because of some reasons, because they were not the lowest and they were not the highest also. They were somewhere in the mid-range. So some of the very expensive interior decorators I just removed, and from among the remaining ones, some were very low. So those also I had removed because people who put such low rates will not be able to deliver the quality. And our actually they were the selection criteria. What we had decided was that the interior contractor who will be doing the job, he should do the maximum work in his own workshop or factory, and his work at site should be for the minimum number of days. This was not only because of the reason of corona and lockdown, but any work done, carpentry work done in a factory, it will always be more accurate than by the carpentry work done by carpenter at the site. So in that case, Mr. Rajesh Bhosle ji, who is having already an interior factory in Dombivli, he was given the preference for that particular reason. And subsequently, he also said that he will present all the 3D views before he will start the work. So we had asked him given him some suggestions, then a lot of suggestions were given by him. And accordingly, his interior decorators have prepared the 3D views and given to us. And I'm glad to tell that subsequently when the work was executed, the executed work was almost exactly like the 3D views which were given to us. Yes, actually, the flat where I was staying earlier, I've been staying for almost 40 years. I had done the renovation and interior of that flat also at least 2 or 3 times. But on all those occasions, I had called a carpenter at my house and got the work done. So once your carpenter works in your home and then does that, you then don't get that accuracy as you get with a machine cut furniture made in a factory. So that was one major difference.
My favorite place is living room because it is very spacious, and I like that crockery unit very much and dining table. So I like here. I like this place.
Because most of the time I'm working from home, I wanted a good study table and with good storage. So I had prepared the drawing for the same on my own because I'm quite conversant with AutoCAD and engineering drawings. But after I made the drawing, Mr. Rajesh Bhosle, based on his experience also, he has suggested some changes. And subsequently, by our mutual discussion, we arrived at the final design of that study table. And it has come out very well with a good storage above the table. And lighting arrangement is also very well. Very good. And in all the other rooms also, the false ceiling and lighting design which has been done by interior has come out very well. Yes, I have seen sliding wardrobes also at many places, but my experience by talking to people who are using sliding wardrobes is that the sliding mechanism after some time it deteriorates and it is very difficult to open this. Whereas openable wardrobe, there is no problem at all. As I said in my earlier flat also, where I have been living for 40 years, we had openable wardrobes only. And sliding wardrobe therefore should be used only where there is a space restriction and you cannot open the shutters fully. So here, because our rooms were quite spacious, we decided to go for openable wardrobes only. And in that also, Mr. Rajesh ji has given some good suggestions. For example, in the wardrobe in the bedroom where I have my home office, I wanted to store, I had a lot of books and files which I wanted to store. So in that study table and the storage above that much space was not there. So Rajesh ji has designed the wardrobe in such a way that I can use the space behind the beam very well. Otherwise, normally people, when fitting the wardrobe in a cupboard space, they just make it with a fixed height, with the height will be equal to the floor to the beam level. But with that, you lose the space which is behind the beam. So he has designed it such a way that in the upper cabinet, upper shelf of that, he made an opening so that I could make full use of the space behind the beam. And now I am using that for storing lot of books and files.
we will definitely recommend.
See, we will recommend Interior because our experience with them has been very good. They have done the job within our expected budget. And as far as time frame is concerned, because of the lockdown and then subsequent restrictions of working in the society, so they have worked very well to finish in time.